Hi guys, I'm Ronnie and welcome back to the channel. And it's been a while since I did a talk, what do you call it, sit down video. I know it's been a while since I sat down to talk about some things crochet related. I've been doing a lot of tutorials instead, but in this video I want to talk about my works in progress, whips as we call them in the crochet term. So it's a new month. Happy new month, everyone. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for always supporting this channel. And if you're not yet subscribed, please click on that subscribe button and join the community. In this new month, I want to plan my whips. I want to be more intentional about the works that I've abandoned. Like, I've abandoned some for maybe 2 years now. I've just been so uninterested in some of the works. Not like they're bad, they're not bad projects. I've just not had the interest in them, basically. Or maybe at a point in time the yarn finished and I didn't feel the need to get another set. So in this new month, my plan is to complete most of them and talk about the ones I also want to start. There's nothing wrong with adding more to the pile. Alright, so the first one, I have them in this bag, this nylon bags. I've not really gotten proper storage for my work, so please allow this. So the first one I have here, I really love the project, but I ran out of yarn at a point and I just couldn't be bothered. And this was 2 years ago. So let me show you what I've done. Alright, so the first one I want to talk about is this beautiful hexagon sweater that I have started. As you can see, the shape is already forming. See, it's very nice. Can you see that? It's very nice. I love the color. I'll put my inspiration right here or anywhere on the screen so you can see what sort of project it's supposed to be. And honestly, I'm almost done. Can you see that? I am almost done with it. I ran out of the white yarn here, so I started making this other part of it, the other side, the other panel, but I also ran out of these colors also. So I just abandoned this, and it's really nice. And I used the brand Yeye. It's a Nigerian brand, acrylic yarn, and I used single strands. Can you see that? But it's not even so much work. I don't know why I abandoned it for so long. It's really beautiful. Can you see? It's really nice. So my plan is to complete this first because I just want something flowy and breezy, although we are going into the the colder part of the year, but I want this. This is so nice. See, I love the color. So I think the only thing left for me to do with this project is make three more rows of white and add another row of black and then some few rows of orange and red. So, and then we're done. Then I would also do the same thing with this. As much as I hate working in panels, this is actually pretty easy to do and it shouldn't take me a week actually, because I'm lazy. I'm not gonna lie, I'm lazy. So let's see how it goes. I will make a video. I don't have the tutorial. I'm not going to make the tutorial because we did not start from the beginning. So I'll just make a vlog of how I finished it. So yeah, and my plan is to loosen this top. If you remember, this top is the multi-way one that you can style in 3 different ways. This one. So I'll link the video here. If you've not watched it, please go ahead to watch it. It's a very simple tutorial also. So my plan is to loosen this and add it to this because I don't have much yarn left also, and I don't want to stop this halfway. So this, yeah, thank God they match. So I have some baby lamb here also. Yeah, so I have black. I think I'm well ready. I'm ready to go now, and let's just see how I finish it, or if I finish it. I pray I finish it because I want it so much. Yeah, so that is it for this hexagon jacket. It's not going to be long sleeve, and I don't want it to crop also, just the perfect length. Yeah, so I will see, we'll get back to this later. The hexagon jacket is actually the major whip I have. The other one is this. I'll post it here. This it's supposed to be my birthday dress, but due to some unforeseen circumstances, I ended up making it into a top. And the top, I've been making it since May. Don't judge me. I'm making it since May, and I'm still not done. I'm almost done actually. It's just the left sleeve left, but I've been dragging it along. But hopefully this month I should be done. It's not here with me right now, but when I'm done, I will compile the videos I have on that also and make a vlog out of it, because I'm not doing tutorial for it. I will do a little bit of tutorial. If you've not seen my start stitch headband tutorial, you should watch it, because I'll be using start stitch also for this top. So hopefully it turns out well, right? Anyway, the next thing is what I have here. Yeah, rainbow colors and all that stuff. I have a lot of colors, a lot of them, different scrap of yarns, and I'm confused as to what to use them for, because I want to try this tapestry crochet. I've tried it before. I've made things with it before, like this sweater here I made for my friend. So for this tapestry crochet, I need 5 colors basically, and I have this blue yarn plus this others. I'm just not sure if it will work, but I will try something. I may not use this graph pattern because the only ones that I have that may be enough are these colors, and I don't know if it will be enough really. I want to make a tote bag out of it, so be expecting a tapestry crochet tutorial. Maybe not also tutorial because we're just winging this, so be expecting that also soon enough. And yeah, that is also for this month though. Hopefully we do what we say we are going to do, right? I don't really like basic crochet patterns. I'm lazy, yes, and I also don't like basic crochet patterns. So you see the problem here, right? So hopefully I'm able to make the tote bag, and if I'm not able to use this graph, I will use another one. There are a lot. I'll just go on Pinterest, look for the one that doesn't need that much color but still makes but still looks as nice. Yeah, maybe a smiley face or something. But we'll be making a tapestry crochet this month. It's been a while since I did this one. Really want to do it this month, and I love this blue. Also have pink. I have pink, but it's not here, so maybe I'll use it, join everything together, make something out of it. But it will be after I finish the hexagon jacket, because I'm not ready to put it down, or it will like take another year for me to finish it, which is not happening. So yes, so a tote bag tutorial also is coming. Also remember the beanie I made, the nude beanie I made? Yes, I loosened it. In the tutorial I said I wasn't going to leave it that way, so this is the ball of yarn that I have from it. And guess what I'm planning to make with it? The butterfly top. Yes, I sighed because I don't know if this will be enough for the butterfly. I'll insert the picture here. I don't know if it will be enough, because this is just 2 balls of yellow yarn, and I doubled the strand. Can you see? I doubled it. So I don't know if it will be enough really. I don't want to stop halfway, so I may not make the I may not make the butterfly top. I may make something else. We'll see. Just be expecting something with this nude yarn, and I want to make something I'll be able to wear. Like, I don't want something too revealing, or I just want something functional basically. So this yarn also, I'll be using it for something quick and easy. I may use slip stitch. I may use slip stitch and make a top, or I may make a baby tee crochet shirt. Just expect something from this. It's not decided yet. You can see that I'm just winging this. Yeah. And the final thing, this is the last thing I have planned for this month. This giraffe crochet yarn. It's thread actually. It's a very thin yarn. Let me show you. Ah shit. Oh god. Okay. Can you see how thin this is? I originally planned to use it for this orange dress that I showed you earlier, but I changed my mind and I was making some dollies with it. If I have a picture, I'll post it, but I also changed my mind. So the plan for this, like you can see, I have a bunch of them. I have a bunch of them. Sorry for the noise, we have dogs. I've had it for like a year or two now, and I just want to try something out. And guess what I want to try? Filet crochet. Everybody has been making that, and it's nice. It looks complicated, but I know it's not complicated, but I want to try it. That filet crochet has been all over my Pinterest feed, and honestly starting to get to me. I feel like I'm the only one that hasn't made anything with it, so I want to make something related to filet crochet. It'll be my first time, yes. So I'll be using this yarn. As you can see, I've started with it. I messed it all up, and I'm messing it up right now because it's just so easy to tangle up. Anyway, what's this? My 4mm hook. I've been looking for it. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. This is so nice. Wow. I've been looking. I thought I lost it. Oh, I thought I lost you. Yes, let's continue. So that is what I plan on making this yarn with, and I plan on using 2mm crochet hook, 2.5. So I'll post a picture of what I want to make, and if I make a vlog about it, it will not be a tutorial because it will be my first time doing it, and I don't think I'm qualified to teach anyone what I don't know yet. Maybe when I know it and I'm starting to try other patterns, I will come back with a standard tutorial. But right now we'll just be testing the waters, so we may as well do it together, right? So that's the plan. That's the plan for this September. A lot to do, plus the fact that I'll be resuming work soon, but it's a lot. We'll make it work. Yeah. And if you want me to make any other thing, a lot of people have been asking for tutorial on how to make bags or purses. I want to make the tutorial badly, but as you can see, there are a lot of things on ground. Most of my yarn are not here. They are somewhere else. So maybe when I get there, I will make the tutorial. It will be a very quick and easy one because I don't have time. And I'm lazy, as I've said. So yeah, make sure you stick around and find out how I'm going to solve this mess of whips. Messy whips. Yeah. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and making me find my 4.4mm crochet hook. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, give this video a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, please, I'm begging, please, we're on our way to 500 subscribers before the end of this year. So please, 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 please subscribe and like and comment on what you want. A lot of you have been giving me feedbacks, like helpful feedbacks also, and I really appreciate that. So keep it coming, guys, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.